the best, and sana you guys are gonna be blessed as you always are with good vibes and all that. If you need someone to talk to, I'm always here. Thanks for the friendship, and sana tuloy-tuloy yung blessings too. Happy birthday!
Thank you, Ms. Lee. And next we have Mr. Aaron Villaflor.
What's up, bros? Ayan. Ayan, unang-una binabati ko yun na happy birthday. Dahil nakikibot, dahil 18 ka na ngayon. Dalaga ka na. Ayan, si tita. So ano?
Pwede na.
Wala bang move dyan? James? Hindi, ito. Happy ako dahil nakatrabaho kayo sa Good Vibes at hindi pa nagtatapos yun. At marami pang mangyayari. At happy ako dahil, ayun, naging close kayo as kapatid. Matatawag ko ng kapatid dahil every time nandun kami sa set, nag-uusap kami lahat dahil si Devon, unsa man suman. So yun. Ayun, bro. Kay James naman, wish you all the best. At sa'yo din, Devon. More power. At yun, huwag niyo lang kalimutan magdasal palagi. Yun, happy birthday. Cheers, bro.
Cheers. Thank you, Aaron. Next we have Mr. I.A. De La Cruz. Miss I.A. De La Cruz.
Hi! Okay. Ano sabihin ko? Hi! Sinagot niyo naman maayos yung interviews niyo kanina. Kasi yun ang concern ko. I wish you all the best, guys. Devon, from the girl na nakabank na gusto mag-militar, layo na. You've gone so far. And, oo, ngayon ka-extend naman na si Don Zulueta.
Ikaw na!
I'm sorry guys.
Ikaw na!
Yung level best na Don Zulueta. James, kahit wala kang ginagawa, ang daming patay na patay sa'yo. Ewan ko. Be nice to the people who support you. Don't forget kung saan kayo nanggaling. James, kahit sobrang gwapo mo, huwag ka man loko ng babae. Thank you very much. Happy birthday, guys.
Thank you, Miss Aya. Next we have Mr. Enrique Hill. Teka siya, Miss Aya. Overwhelmed. Mr. Enrique Hill. Okay, Mr. Happy Hill. Hey, Hill, hindi ko.
I would just like to thank you, Devon and James, for being really good friends to me, even though when PDP is not actually, you guys accepted me as one of your closest friends and best friends. So, cheers to you guys.
Thank you, Happy. Next, we have Mr. Joe Vargas.
Hi. Hello. Happy birthday, Devon and James. So,
No.
salamat sa pagiging super sweet and cool friends ko sa akin. And wish you all the best. Nagtitilo ako. And James, learn to speak Tagalog kasi I'm having a hard time with you. Cheers, guys. Love you.
Thank you, Joe. Next, we have Mr. Jory Pexon.
Yes!
James, Devon, happy 18th birthday.
Yun, lalaki.
And kay Devon, sana more blessings. Sa'yo lang. Hindi, sa inyong dalawa. And thank you for being so nice. Salamat sa pagiging transparent and being you. Sana huwag kayong magbago. Huwag niyo kalimutan yung mga taong tumulong sa inyo. Simula noong umpisa hanggang kung saan kayo makakarating.
Iiyak na! Iiyak na!
And this is for the group, for the J1 Gems. We will always be here for you. Thank you guys.
Thank you, Jory. Next, we have Miss Krishka. Miss Krishka? Yes.
Sino siya? Sino siya?
Okay, I'm surprised that I have to make a speech right now. I've known them separately and I've known them together, and I cannot see two people more humble, more kind and nice as a celebrity now in ABS-CBN. I wish them more happiness, success, and many more blessings to come. Happy birthday, Devon, and belated happy birthday, James.
Thank you, Miss Krishka. Next, we have Mr. Patrick Sugi.
Okay, first, James, bro, we've been through so many things, good times, bad times, naughty times. I'd like to thank you for everything, bro. And for the boy, we're grown up now, so careful with everything, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you, Patrick. Next, we have Mr. Julian Mauricio.
Biglang walang nasabi. Happy birthday, guys. To tell you the truth, James, when I first met you outside the PBB house, akala ko, I didn't know we were gonna be friends. Kasi I thought, hindi tayo magiging close. But thank you for everything, for the shopping trip sa Green Hills. Nung kasama natin si Devon, kahit nagka-heart attack kami ni Jan kasi ang daming taong biglang sumugod sa atin. But Devon, ever since PBB pa lang, super love na kita. So, lalo na nang na-meet kita, tapos sabi mo, ang dream mo sa showbiz, maka-work si Sam Concepcion. Na-achieve mo yung dream mo, tapos kasama mo pa si James sa Good Vibes. Kaya sana mas marami pa kayong shows together. Good luck na lang sa career, sa life. Huwag niyong kakalimutan na lagi kayo magpasalamat sa fans. Kasi without them, wala kayo dito. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Next, we have Miss Kate Pipito. Miss Kate.
Okay lang yun.
Not ready for this. Hello. Good evening sa lahat. Thank you pala sa mga J-Boy. Grabe. In fairness, sobrang maasikaso, tsaka support talaga. Kahit magkaroon sila ng career. Individually, dyan pa din kayo. Sila Kakay, Jack, Joy, everybody na na-meet ko, in fairness, maasikaso. Now, with my alagas, my bebes, na both 18, I hope magmamature na kayo from now on. We have a long way to go. The key thing lang is, listen lang. But to have fun also, kasi mga bata pa kayo. Pero, ano lang, I promise you na itong journey natin, hindi naman strict, but, yun, enjoy lang, enjoy life, kasi, yun, dapat everyday, happy, pero, nag-work ka rin. Okay? Deal? Deal? Happy birthday, I love you.
Thank you, Miss Kate. Next, we have Miss Kakay Gadicho.
Oh.
I'm not with this. Hello? Okay.
For the James, it's been, I would say, almost 1 year for J1 Gems. It's been a roller coaster ride.
Yeah!
Okay. From all the global J1s, this is a dream come true for us to celebrate this special event for both of you. I hope you guys will enjoy it. This is for both of you. So after this, we're gonna party.
Yeah!
Not prepared, ha? But we have plans. Thank you, Kakay. Next, we have Miss Cha Inserto.
Good evening, Jay, Devon. Okay, happy birthday. This is a big chapter of your life, turning 18. You're legal. You're gonna have party after this. To both of you, I know with all the J1 Gems, we've been through a lot of rough times, and yet we've managed to go